Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, if you're interested in putting your money to work and earning daily, monthly with zero stress, then this video is for you. So, watch this to the end. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to consistently earn above 10,000 naira on a monthly basis with mutual funds. Mutual fund is basically when people put their money together, then a professional, that's a professional manager, takes that pool of money that's been added by various individuals. You don't need to know them, and invest it in different things like stocks, bonds, or both, like treasury bills, government bonds. There are various types um of investment opportunities. You understand? They can invest this money into, instead of choosing what to buy yourself. The fund manager does it for you. You invest and sit back and watch how it performs and make your money. Basically, that's how it is. And we have the various type of mutual funds. We have the equity funds, we have the fixed income fund, and money market funds. So the equity funds basically deals with company shares which are listed in Nigeria, while the fixed income funds, these deal with FGM bonds, treasury bills, and other safe loans. These ones are basically safer. If you ask me, they are safer. Then they have the money market fund. These are very safe and short-term investments. They have low risk and low return, so you won't lose your money, but the gains and the profit is low, unlike the equity funds which deals with stocks that can go higher. Don't worry, I'll show you the examples here in this app. After hearing all these equity funds, treasury bills, FGM bonds, people will think that it's hard to start. Maybe you need a very large amount of money to start, but bro, you can start with as little as 5,000 naira, or if you 1,000 naira on platforms like Cowrywise or Piggyvest. I'm using Optimus by Afri Invest. So different platforms you can start with as little as 5,000 naira, even below 5,000 naira and start investing. You understand? So you can even directly invest from these companies. So if you want your money to work for you, mutual funds are a smart way to make it work for you. Easy way to start is basically following these steps I'll be showing in this video. That's the easiest way to start. So if you are still watching the video to this point, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So let's go. So to get started, you can look at the options here. You will see Opti Flex, Opti Lock, US Stocks, Mutual Fund. So you see these options on the down part. They are where you have Home, Portfolio, the power button sign, Wallet, and more. So you click on this power button sign. Now you see these options here. Invest and grow. We have Naira Mutual Fund, Dollar Mutual Fund, US Stocks, Nigerian Stocks. We are interested in Naira Mutual Fund, so we click on Naira Mutual Fund. Like I explained before, Naira Mutual Fund is an investment type that enables you to own a mixture of stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments, both locally and internationally. This will be handled by these people, these professionals. You don't have to do the work, they do it for you. They find the best options, best opportunities, then put it up. People invest and they carry the money and invest in those opportunities they found. And at the end of the day, you get your money back, as simple as ABCD. So click on Explore Naira Mutual Funds and let's get started. Now choose a fund, explore and choose mutual funds on Optimus. They have three different types of funds. You understand? They have the Afri Invest Equity Fund, they have a Afri Invest Pluto's Fund, they have Nigerian International Debt Fund. So now I want to explain this step by step for you. Then you can see this Afri Invest. Let me show you. These ones deal with mostly stocks, shares of companies. So the AEF Afri Invest Funds AEF fund has strong potential for capital appreciation. The fund selects stocks that are highly liquid and also adopts a dynamic strategy that delivers alpha amid prevailing macroeconomic conditions. So they have the cash, treasury bills, bank placement, commercial paper, bonds. They mutual fund invest in shares of companies listed on Nigerian exchange group. Like I explained before, they invest in stocks listed in Nigerian markets. They invest in company shares, and this particular one, this Afri Invest has higher chance for more liquidity. That's more profit because the stocks market are volatile, so the profit can come very fast. Unlike the others, now they have the Afri Invest Pluto's fund. So let's see what this one is about. The Pluto's fund aims to achieve both stable income generation and capital preservation by investing 100% of the portfolio assets in high quality short-term securities such as treasury bills, commercial papers, fixed deposits that are rated BBB and above. So the average Pluto's APF, the fund offers the safety of capital, and a stream of quarterly returns. So these ones, the payouts are quarterly, and the average invest Plutus allows users of all income levels to invest in low risk, short term, high liquid securities like treasury bills and commercial papers. So basically, you understand this one. These are the low investments, safer option. It's not like the crypto. It's not like the stock market. They don't invest in stock, but they invest in treasury bills in that one. Now we have the Nigerian International Debt Fund. So let's check what this one is about. This fund includes FGM bonds, corporate bonds, and selected money market instruments. The NIDF is best advised for investors with low to medium risk appetite, as well as relative patient capital. So this one basically deals with the government, FGM bonds, corporate bonds, and selected money market instruments. So it's not like your average stock where you just put money and get money back. These ones take time, but um the investments, you know where it's going to. So the investments here, all the money gathered here are going into treasury bills, FGM bonds, I mean. So basically the Nigerian International Debt Fund is a distinct investment product originally created as a closed-end fund in 1997 and was resorted into 2010 to an open-ended fund. The Nigerian International Debt Fund invests in federal and state government bonds. Like I said, these ones deal with the federal government, that's FGN. Like for instance, if the government are building roads, they have a project to construct road, for instance. Now the funds gathered here, every money that is gathered here is invested into that project. So once that project is completed, now the government have to pay back those money with interest. You understand? So basically this is like government borrowing from individuals to complete a project, and when that project is completed, they pay back those funds with interest. Now the interest will be shared to everybody that invested into this fund and this bond. So basically, so let's go. We'll be talking about Afri Invest Equity Fund today, because we're interested in making 10k above on a monthly basis. So with these ones, you know you can make it, but then you can see 2% YTD. That's crazy, bro. So we'll be looking at this one and this one, then, but let's just focus on this one for today. So we are looking at Afri Invest Equity Fund, so we can make a higher return on a monthly basis, I mean. So YTD, this thing you're seeing here, means year to date return. So I don't think this is actually accurate, because in the last 6 months, this fund has gathered over 76% profit. So I've been trying to break down how you can earn 10,000 naira on a monthly basis from this. So let's just check this. Now, if this fund gathered 76% profits in the last 6 months and we invested 100,000 naira, this means we earned in the last 6 months, that December till now, this is May. Yeah, December, January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, that's very 6 months. That in 6 months we earned 76% from 100,000 naira. That's basically 76,000 naira. That's the profits in the last 6 months. Now you can see that in every month we invested that money, we have earned 10,000 naira. That's 10%. This from one investment, that single investment of 100,000 naira. So we invested 100,000 naira in December. That December we earned 10,000 naira. January we earned 10,000. February 10,000. March 10,000. April 10,000. And this May another 10,000 naira. That's basically 10k every month since December. Now, if you're investing in this month, yeah, short of another 10,000 naira in the next month, 10,000 naira in the next upper month until December. So this is one of the surest ways to earn on a monthly basis. You can see that in every month, every single month that have passed, there have been a consistent increase by 10%. So in last 6 months, there is over 76%. And you can see that why this is one of the best ways or the surest ways is because they have the fund. You can see they have 412 million naira. 412 million naira, bro. That's crazy. So you can see that the more capital you have in investments, the more return they have, and the more returns the investors are getting. You understand? Unlike individually, if you're investing in stocks, if you're investing in without the knowledge as well, you remember that these are professionals that are handling these funds. So any company that is adding over 400 million naira in investment opportunities, and you know that they are experts, so the return is assured in every single month. And you can see that they have a minimum holding period of 30 days. So every month you can take out your 10%, that's your 10,000 naira from your 100,000 naira investment. So if you invested 100,000 naira since December, you can decide that every single month I'll take out 10,000 naira, that's 10%. I leave my capital to keep working for me. Then if I invested 1 million naira, then every month I'm taking out 100,000 naira and leave the rest to work for me. And that's basically how it works. So you have to delegate and leave the professionals to do their work while you put your money there and let them do their work, and you get your money at the end of the day. So their minimum investment is 1,000 naira, and you can go as high as any amount you want. You understand? So it's basically a capital's uh, game. If you have more capital, you have more return. That's how it works. So if you invested on 1,000 naira, and at the end of the 30 days, you get 10%, that's 100 naira. Doesn't make sense. So if you invested 10,000 naira, at the end of 30 days, you get 1,000 naira. That's still okay. You understand? That's basically, I'm just trying to explain how the profit margin works, so you know how much you're investing, how much you're willing to risk, and the returns you're possibly going to get at the end of every month. So if you're interested in this type of investment, you can go ahead and click on this option here, invest now. So once you click on invest now, you put the amount you want to invest. Maybe if you want to invest 100,000 naira, remember that per share per unit there is 455. It's up now from 388 it was before. So you get 219.79. So every single unit here is sold at the same rate. So whenever you want to sell your unit, make sure that it has increased. If you bought at 455.60 kobo, that's, you make sure that it has increased maybe to 500, 600, then you sell your 10%. Wait for it to increase again, then you sell your 10%. That's how you consistently earn from this market. Now you invest in mutual fund by getting units of that fund. The actual units you get are determined within 24 to 48 working hours. How often do you want to invest? Now this option here is, if you put, because here in this app you have to deposit money to your wallet. Now from that wallet, not your bank account, from that wallet you can choose to either um do this on a weekly basis. So every Monday they take the money and invest for you, every Tuesday they take the money and invest for you, or you can choose to do it on a monthly basis. So if you want to choose what day of the month works for you, so if you want to choose like um every second of every month, take this amount of money and invest in these funds for me, then every second of every month that money will be debited from your wallet, not your bank account. Remember, from your wallet, because you should have already deposited it into your wallet in this Afre Optimus app. Now they have just these ones. These ones means I want to put only this 100,000 naira once. Don't collect money from my wallet, don't debit any money from my wallet. That's basically what it means. Just take this one and invest. Then if I want to invest again, if I want to invest again, then I'll come back and invest again. So that's basically what this month. So you can select like I told you, you can select funding source. Then they have the Naira wallets and they have the debit card. So you can choose either to put money on your Naira wallet, or you can choose to add your debit wallet, that's your debit card, that's your bank card, to this. So that's the two options there. Like I told you, you can deposit money in your wallet and they take this money from your wallet. Don't need to link your bank account if you're having trust issues, you understand? Because it might be one day if you hear a lot, you think maybe your account is compromised or something. So you just basically have to put this in your Naira wallet in this app, then they take it from there and invest for you. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to deposit and how to buy these stuffs if you are interested in that as well. If you're interested in that as well, you can drop a comment in the comment section requesting for that type of video particularly, and I will do it for you. How to put money into this Naira wallet, and how to buy other funds, you understand. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you got value for your time, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and let's go.